Hey, what's up, guys? Zach Calhoun here, co-founder of Cloudpano.com. I hope you're doing well today. We got a couple updates I'm excited to share with you as we've added to Cloudpano. In particular, this video is about Cloudpano Live and some things we are adding and working through and making the software even better. So follow along with me, check it out. I'm excited to share with you today. So what we have up here is a typical Cloudpano tour. So like you would anything else, and we have Cloudpano Live turned on. Now, as you see, when I click Cloudpano Live, that icon, I'm automatically added to the tour. So here's my face up here. I'm logged in. I'm doing a live call. We are virtually having a selling experience in 360, right? So now what I want to do is show you a couple of features we've added that are helping our users have better efficiency, helping your clients sell better in Cloudpano Live. I just wanted to share with you. Move my face over right here. So when I click on the Live tab, initially when it's off, it looks like this. When I turn it on, it looks like this. We've added a few things to make your life a little bit easier. So we still have the view of your tour, share with others button, which goes right to live, or you can use the icon to go into a live call. Add your name and click connect. We also added a help page. So if you guys need help or looking through Cloudpano Live and you're thinking, I have a few questions or what devices and browsers are best with, we added the help page. So click there to check that out. It looks like this. You'll see it's a bunch of videos of me talking, showing you how some other helpful tips. So some new features we've added, which are really neat, that I wanted to share with you. And I actually added my name here and with a bunch of O's just because I'm messing with it. We can now alert someone, your client, a specific person who you designate, for a couple different reasons. Reason number one is we can notify them when someone enters the room. So very similar to a Zoom call or very similar to any other type of a video conferencing software. When someone's in the room, you go, oh, okay, I want to make sure I know. And I hop in the room with them and talk to them. This is really good for folks who are scheduling calls and they're, is that person there yet or not? Or hey, I just talked, if I want to know some activity on the tour, I can notify someone, right? So you as a virtual tour provider, you can add your client's email right here and you can add their name and they'll be notified when you have to also turn this on, of course, notify via email when someone joins Cloudpano Live. Just a cool way to know if someone's there, right? So if you're an RV salesman or you're a car dealer or you're an apartment property manager and you're about to do a live showing, this will pop up on your email with whatever email is designated there that someone is there, right? Be careful with this. If your MLS if you're a real estate photographer or real estate agent and your MLS doesn't allow for these kind of notifications, use this wisely and sparingly if needed. But it's really helpful to have this type of information for you guys. So I also wanted to share something cool. We call the Enable Schedule a Showing button and receive a request via email. So now you can schedule a Cloudpano Live call. So say you're a property manager, you have an apartment complex, and you want someone to schedule with you a time to do a Cloudpano Live call. Great. Just click here. We'll show it to you here in a second, and I'll show you how all that works. And of course, we still have the direct to live link here. Okay, so I've turned both these on. I even designated an email that's to be alerted when someone joins the room. And I click publish. Now, because I am logged in here, and I'll move my face over here, this behaves a little differently for me as a logged in user. So if I click the Cloudpano Live call, like I showed you a moment ago, everything's minimized and my face appears. I'm automatically in the call. Now, if I am viewing this as let's see, I want to show an incognito user. So if I view a Cloudpano Live demo from a different browser, in this case, a logged out browser, so some random viewer, somebody who's joined the call, if they click live, this pops up. So they can add their name and click connect, or they can schedule a showing. So let's first just show an example of the notification. So let's just put in Zach Cloudpano. Why not? Connect. So I'm in incognito, so I'm just a random user. And I've entered into the room, and I wanted to show. I'm actually going to log out just to spare the amount of videos I have going at once here. But with the notification looks like this. Okay, it says especially if it's private labeled, it comes from 360 Virtual Tour Video Chat. It's the title of the user. It says a live video chat participant is waiting for you. It'll have a link to the tour and just a simple link just to get into that tour and have that live video call right away. So it's one click away for whoever is notified, which is super helpful. And then also two, you can see. Let's see if I can go back to that browser I just had open. I have a lot of them open right now. Let's do this one. I think it's this one. Oh, we're still in incognito. That's actually where I want to be. There we go. Excuse me. So when I am a logged out user and I want to schedule a show with somebody, I click that button and now you can enter your name. Let's say it's Zach. My email is Zach@Cloudpano. Phone number 555-5. And I want to buy this. And click submit. What happens now is that person who I have been notified as my notification person, or in this case, my client, or the property manager, or the RV dealer, or whoever their client happens to be, that person gets an email too now of someone has scheduled a tour with you. Let's see if I can pull that up and show you actually really quick. So virtual showing requests it has the title of the tour here, which on mine says clone. And my comments, I want to buy this. So here's them, so I can call them right away. It's a great lead generation showing feature, and we can have if you want to, if you call somebody, hey, I can do a demo right now. You click into it, bam, you're going to sell an environment, and everyone is super happy. So really cool features added to Cloudpano Live. We have more cool stuff coming, more refinement always happening. So I hope it's helpful for you and your business and your clients. I'll see you soon.